Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're making classic sourdough bread from scratch. Sourdough is known for its tangy flavor, chewy texture, and beautiful crust. It's made with just a few simple ingredients and a natural fermentation process. First up, 350 grams of water in a bowl. Add 100 grams of bubbly, active sourdough starter. Swirl until cloudy. Now, toss in 500 grams of high-protein bread flour. Mix until you've got a shaggy, sticky dough clinging to your fingers. Cover and let it rest seriously, the dough needs a chill moment. Next, sprinkle in 10 grams of sea salt. Wet hands, dimple that salt into the dough, squeeze and fold until it disappears. Watch those salt crystals dissolve, pure magic. Now let's build some strength. For 3 hours, every 30 minutes, stretch and fold. Grab an edge, pull up, fold over, rotate, repeat. Dough goes from sticky mess to smooth, elastic, and jiggly. Flour your surface. Tip out the dough. Pre-shape with a few folds, flip, rest 20. Then final shape, tighten it up into a round or oval loaf. Into a floured banneton, seam side up. Proof at room temp for 2 hours, or chill overnight for flavor fireworks. Preheat oven to 250 degrees, Celsius Dutch oven inside. Flip dough onto parchment, score deep with a sharp blade. Transfer to that blazing Dutch oven. Bake covered, 20 minutes, lid off. Another 25 until golden, crackling, dramatic. Cool on a rack, don't rush, slice in for that open, airy crumb. Each slice, 140 calories, 4 grams protein, easy to digest, gut-friendly thanks to fermentation. Homemade sourdough, simple ingredients, epic flavor. Subscribe for more cinematic recipes.